Hi guys, with the current trend of unpacking videos, this is our film about unpacking a Royal Enfield. As you can see, they come in a metal crate. It's very strong and sturdy, you can stack them too high, and it has a grey plastic covering. It's a plastic laminate, that's the exterior that gives it most of its weatherproofing. This is young Jack. Say hello, Jack.
Hello.
Start off with the impact gun, just removing the plastic exterior. It's recyclable. These crates are brilliant. We do try and recycle them. If you've got an adventure bike and you want to send it to Peru and you want to do it yourself, you're welcome to have one of these crates. I don't want any money for them. I would say about 80% of our new Royal Enfields arrive this way. The other 20% come on wheels in a van, come from the distributor from Royal Enfield UK, which is in Chorley. So we've probably had at least 50 of these sillages. As you can see, the bike's super secure, it's bolted in. You can put any bike in here more or less. I think the biggest bike we've had in was a GS, and they're great. So with the bike, you get the bike mostly in one bit. The front wheels are on, the handlebars are on. Jack's just removing a cardboard box now. That contains the battery for the bike, the mirrors, bar ends and various bits and bobs like that, all small stuff, owner's manual and that sort of stuff. As you can see, the sillage is really strong. It's bolted in at the bottom on the engine mount, and then it's strapped in at the front and strapped in at the rear in two places. So it's got 3 straps each side, and it's bolted on. We've had about 50 of these in 2018, and we've thrown most of them away. It's crime. It's now using the impact gun to get all the bolts out that hold it together. Very noisy process. Once the exterior of the crate's off, you'll see the bikes are all contained in a very large plastic bag. That keeps the weather off it, stops it from going rusty. It's got some silica gel in there in sacks. You can see there's loads of packing over all the painted parts. This bike's a Himalayan, and all the panels are all wrapped and protected from any movement. The crates themselves go through quality control. Every time the crates are changed or a new model's brought out, the distributors unpack the first few bikes themselves instead of sending them to the dealers in crates. That's just to make sure the crates work properly, it hasn't come loose, and none of the strapping points have rubbed the paint or anything like that. So yeah, that's what the bike looks like at this stage. So, next stage, once we've got all the covers off, is to, there's a bracket at the front that needs to be removed. That's bolted onto the front engine mount. That's already been removed to shorten the sequence. There's 3 plastic straps on each side of the bike. They're cut, and once that's done, it's free. We'll then pull the handlebars straight and wheel the bike straight out of the sillage, and then perhaps one of the boys will remove the blue bag so you can see what the crate looks like. That is it. Exciting times. A bike being born. Pete, show me your excited face. I need to work on that.
Well, funny enough, you need to be excited at the show and excited face.
Okay, Jack, show me your excited face. Wow, that's better. This is the moment. There are two midwives just arguing. It's not a breech birth. Here she goes. One last push. That is it. Jack, can you just remove that blue paper? There you go. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed that, guys. That's how a Himalayan is born. And the last stage is to unpack the little bits and bobs that come with the bike and fit them to the bike. So the screen's not fitted. We've already pulled the handlebars to the upright position and torqued those down. Then we're going to fit the mirrors, we're going to put the battery away, and then finally put the keys and the owner's manual away, ready for it to be sold. So anyway, hope you enjoyed that, guys. Thanks for watching. Say goodbye, Jack.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.